Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing well. Yes, it is me. I was gone for a while and I am back. Well, I'm trying to come back. All right, so on a more serious note, first of all, I want to come back and say hello to all of you. It's been so long. I left YouTube, this channel, I left for 10 years. If you remember, most of you joined my channel because of my hair. Yes, my hair is natural. No relaxer, no chemical processing. And I started this journey in 2007 and came on YouTube shortly. Well, yes, that's a long story. I started my YouTube channel in 2009, and then I left after 1.5 years or so. And last time you saw me on this channel was the last time you saw my latest video, current video on this channel was 2011. So it's been 20 years since you last saw me here. But first of all, let me thank some of you who were still there. Let's fix this. So I want to thank some of you who are still here. Thanks for sticking by me. And I want to say that I'm going to answer your questions about why I left YouTube. It's going to be another video because I want to give you the real information and the honest truth on why I left. And some of you may have gone through this too, but I left to sort of like summarize it for you. I left because I became afraid of being in front of the world and not knowing where my videos were going, something like that. So, but I will expound on that. I'll expound on it some in another video. But in short, I became a mom. I was working, and I also wanted to enjoy motherhood, and those things, they sometimes conflict with the other things like this that are not really necessary. You know what I mean? So I had to make way for life itself and take care of my children and spend time with them. And that's why YouTube had to take a back seat. Yeah, so I put YouTube on the back seat, and I kept writing. But today I wanted to come on and tell you guys hi, say hello, show my face, my aged face. You get my old video? Like, I have wrinkles now. I'm aged. Yeah, I look at myself, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have aged. So now I'm a mother of 2, and I am definitely coming back. You're going to be seeing videos that I'm already working on. But this is just to say, hey, I'm back, to say hello, to say thank you, to tell you that on this channel, I'm going to be serving you. And I would like to know what you want to know. A lot of you don't know what I specialize in and what my background as far as education and all of that, or accomplishments, but I'm not one to come online and start talking about those things. But if you guys want to know, or if there's any area where I can help you, I'll be providing that on this channel. This channel is going to be a space for you to come and get information and life hack type of information, women's issues, and a way to make them better, a way to manage ourselves better as women and mothers. And just if you call yourself a woman, you're going to enjoy my channel. All right, so basically I'll be coming to you live and direct. I'll be giving you information that is helpful to you. I've always been one who loves to serve. I like to do for others, and I really want to be able to do as much as I can through this channel. Even though you can reach out and touch me, you can feel my spirit and I can feel yours based on your feedback. So I thank you for watching this very short video, and please look forward to more from me. Take care. And if you like what you have seen, or you just like me, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, take care, and may you be protected in all that you do. May your life be sustained. May things go forward for you. Thank you so much for watching me, and I want to throw you some good energy, positive vibe. Take it, and don't ever do without positive energy. Take care. Bye bye.